What's up, guys? Welcome to Promotech. Thanks for tuning in. The Galaxy S27 Ultra leaks are finally starting to reveal something much bigger than a simple yearly upgrade. Samsung doesn't appear to be chasing flashy marketing numbers this time. Instead, the company seems to be making a series of smaller but far more meaningful changes that could completely reshape the Galaxy experience for years to come. And that's exactly why these leaks deserve a much closer look. Let's dive right into the video. The biggest headline is obviously the rumored 200-megapixel main camera, but honestly, that's not the most interesting part. Samsung has already proven it can build incredibly high-resolution sensors. What makes this leak different is the reported redesign behind the camera itself. According to multiple reports, Samsung could introduce a square image sensor instead of the traditional rectangular design. That may sound like a technical detail most people would ignore, but this single change could completely transform how smartphone photography works. Right now, your phone processes photos differently depending on whether you're holding it vertically or horizontally. A square sensor gives the camera much more flexibility to crop, stabilize, and frame every shot without sacrificing image quality. Instead of forcing users to think about camera settings or orientation, the hardware itself becomes smarter. That's the kind of upgrade most companies never advertise, yet it's the kind users notice every single day. Compared to previous Ultra models, this isn't just another camera improvement. It could represent a completely different philosophy for mobile photography. Then there's the telephoto camera, and I think Samsung is making another smart decision here. The leaks point to a new 50-megapixel zoom camera, but what stands out isn't the resolution. It's Samsung's apparent focus on making everyday zoom dramatically better instead of simply chasing huge zoom numbers for marketing. Most people rarely use 100x zoom, but they constantly use 3x, 5x, and 10x while traveling, attending concerts, watching sports, or taking family photos. If Samsung improves clarity, autofocus, and low-light performance at those practical zoom levels, users will actually feel the difference every week instead of once a year. Sometimes the best upgrade isn't the one with the biggest number. It's the one you actually use. Another leak that isn't getting nearly enough attention is Samsung's rumored automatic subject tracking for video. Think about how many people create content today. Whether you're filming TikTok videos, YouTube shorts, Instagram reels, online classes, or simply making video calls, keeping yourself perfectly framed is surprisingly difficult. Samsung is reportedly working on software similar to Apple's Center Stage, allowing the camera to intelligently follow your movement while keeping you centered. That isn't just another AI feature to put on a marketing slide. It's something creators could use every single day, making videos look more professional without buying expensive equipment. Speaking of making life easier, a lot of you ask how I keep up with so many leaks, reports, and smartphone launches without constantly switching between different websites. Recently, I've been using Walverse to organize everything in one place, and it's honestly become part of my daily workflow. Instead of chasing scattered information across multiple sources, I can keep everything together, which saves a lot of time. It fits perfectly with what Samsung seems to be doing here. Sometimes the smartest upgrades aren't the loudest ones. They're simply the ones that make everyday life easier. Now let's talk about one feature that could quietly become one of Samsung's biggest advantages: privacy. Reports suggest Samsung may expand its privacy display technology beyond the Ultra model and possibly across the entire Galaxy S27 lineup. That's a much bigger deal than it sounds. Think about how often you check your banking app, messages, emails, or work documents while sitting on a train, in an airport, or inside a coffee shop. Most flagship phones still allow anyone sitting beside you to glance at your screen. Samsung appears to be treating privacy as a premium feature that everyone should have, not just Ultra buyers. That also tells us something about Samsung's long-term strategy. Instead of keeping every premium feature exclusive to the highest-priced phone, the company may finally be making the entire Galaxy lineup feel more flagship. Battery life is another area where Samsung seems ready to make a statement. Industry insiders believe the S27 Ultra could finally move beyond the 5,500 mAh mark, which would represent one of Samsung's biggest battery upgrades in years. The impressive part isn't simply making the battery larger. The real challenge is fitting that extra capacity into a phone that still feels slim and premium. Samsung has traditionally been conservative here, while many Chinese brands pushed enormous batteries. If these leaks are accurate, Samsung may have finally found a balance between battery size, efficiency, heat management, and overall design. That could easily become one of the most appreciated upgrades because battery anxiety affects every smartphone user, whether they're gaming, traveling, working, or simply scrolling social media. Before we continue, I want to give a quick shout out to everyone who's already part of this community. Over 70% of the people watching these videos still aren't subscribed. If you enjoy looking beyond the marketing slides, understanding why companies make certain decisions, and following the hidden details that most reviews completely overlook, consider subscribing. This channel is all about building a community of people who enjoy understanding where smartphone technology is actually heading, not just reading spec sheets. Finally, let's talk about the display because I think Samsung is under more pressure here than ever before. For years, Samsung has been the benchmark for smartphone screens, but today the competition is catching up incredibly fast. Apple continues refining its displays, while brands like Xiaomi, Vivo, and Oppo are producing panels that rival the very best in the industry. That means Samsung can't simply make the screen brighter and call it a day. The S27 Ultra reportedly focuses on improving brightness, efficiency, outdoor visibility, color accuracy, and battery consumption all at once. Those improvements may not generate flashy headlines, but together they create a noticeably better experience every single time you unlock the phone. When you step back and connect every one of these leaks together, something interesting starts to emerge. This doesn't feel like Samsung adding random new features. It feels like Samsung is quietly redesigning the entire flagship experience. A smarter camera instead of just a bigger sensor. Better practical zoom instead of ridiculous marketing numbers. Privacy built into everyday use instead of hidden behind expensive models. A battery designed for real-world endurance instead of benchmark charts. These aren't isolated upgrades. They're signs that Samsung understands flagship smartphones have started feeling too similar, and the S27 Ultra may be its answer. Whether all of these leaks make it into the final product remains to be seen. But if even most of them become reality, the Galaxy S27 Ultra won't simply replace the S26 Ultra. It could redefine what Samsung expects from every future Galaxy flagship. And that might be the biggest story nobody is talking about yet. Take care and stay safe. I'll see you in the next one soon. Cheers. Bye-bye.